Welcome to the Dragon Boat Festival 2012, an annual event that's held right here at the Bedok Reservoir, which is organized by the Singapore Dragon Boat Association together with the People's Association. This year we have 2,000 participants in 76 categories, 76 races. It's going to be an exciting weekend.
Basically, the misconception that a lot of people have is that you have to be really muscular and big. But I mean, that could be an advantage to you, but basically if you want to succeed in Dragon Boat, you just have to have a very good stroke and coordination in the whole boat.
Conditions once again causing a bit of a challenge for the teams at the starting line. We'll have that race coming up very shortly. Sadly, not an easy task to be out there under the blistering sun. Hope that will not affect their performance.
Winning means a lot to us because basically we've been training together as a team, the unity, the desire and one goal together. Because once we get the medal, it really means a lot to us and we treasure for the rest of our lives because it shows a few things, blood, sweat and tears together.
Fantastic to get medals in the national championships. I mean, this is the biggest Dragon Boat race in Singapore, so winning the open categories, that's #1 for us. So totally stoked we get medals today.
Yeah, I think it's a successful event. And yeah, well organised, and I'm happy with it.
We really enjoyed this event. 800 metres is a really big challenge. You have to put in a lot of effort. There's a lot of hard training that goes into it, so we will definitely participate again. It's one of our favourite races.